everybody, and welcome to the Ride Waxing, a UK one-wheel channel.
Hey! Hi guys, and welcome back to the Ride Waxing and UK one-wheel channel. The sun is coming up, we're up here nice and early, 6 AM, and we're going to rip again.
Yeah, we're going to have a little explore around.
Explore around, yeah. We were up here yesterday, and I must admit, we found some really good lines, so we're going to go and try and hit those and see what kind of mess we can get into. So, which way? That way, that way?
Left.
Left it is. New line.
Finding lines, baby.
Finding lines. Hashtag finding lines.
I know where this comes out.
To the right, to the right, to the right.
Whoa, you're going to do your steps, mate.
Yeah. Guys, I've broken my bracket. We've just come through this trail just up here. Note from a one wheel, don't go walkies. Stay. Keep an eye on it, Tom, in case it gets pinched. High crime area here. Lots of deer around. Yeah, we've just come up through here. It's gnarly as hell, so unfortunately I haven't been able to record this. All the way down through here. So what we're going to do is we'll film us dropping in off this slope here, and then we're going to disembark, which is a new line we found.
Finding lines.
Finding lines, hashtag, down through here. So, Tom, get your backside up there, son. Let's get some filming.
I broke my fender yesterday, so I've ordered one. Check out
Actually, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the video clip now of him riding down a hill yesterday and landing on top of his fender after riding through dog poo. Which is quite hilarious. And we are digging the pink oak new side rails.
Lovely. And also ordered a pink oak fender as well, so check out Pink Oak.
Pinkoak.com.
Thank you very much.
This is not sponsored, he had to pay for them, as we always say. Right, let's hit it, bud. you know what, this camera just makes it look like a hill. Let's try and get down here. Right. Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Coming in hot. Right, dropping back to the bottom of the basin. This is on one of my other videos. Again, if anybody can suggest a good phone mount that is a bit more robust than this one, then give us a shout. All by handheld now. It's all about lines today, boys and girls. Oh yeah, mucky. Need a badge on my board. Now, try my new setting in custom. Put that, as you saw earlier, the low nose lift, because I'm a little bit heavier than I do find it quite difficult sometimes when we get to the little inclines. I end up hitting my nose a bit more, so I've gone for an elevated front nose effect. Obviously a bit more baggier underfoot, because I like the twitchiness. It's more responsive. Yeah, so I must admit, yeah, so far so good. It's working really well. So yeah, get yourself into customs, play around with your settings until you find what's best suited. But the sun is coming up here in Devon, and it's a nice fresh morning. Great for trail riding. Oh, yeah, so you know, that's where that nose incline definitely helps. So yeah, Tom's trousers are absolutely minging. We'll have a quick look at those at the end of the ride, and let's see what benefit fenders have when trail riding. nice. Need to do this one again. First time doing this one.
You're an animal.
First try. So yeah, just gonna ride up the 5 trail just to hit that one again. That was blinking awesome, that was. There's trails all over the place, ones that I've never ridden before, so, and hence the reason for doing it again, because I went into it a little bit softly, a bit tentatively, didn't really give it a full chat, should we say. So we're going to try and sneak up this way. I know we shouldn't really. Let's see if my board can make it. Oh, the wet and the mud, yuck. Nice and steady and slow. Yeah, boy.
Is that an ankle snapper? Oh.
Let's do this.
Coming in hot.
So, another epic ride up the forest. I must admit, Tom, we have found some new trails today. We found some new rides. It is absolutely epic up here and the conditions are just getting better. And for us, our season has only just started. So we have got some wicked content. We've seen some other good stuff we're going to hit. But until next time, don't forget, hit that subscribe, hit that like button. We will
See you soon.
see you soon.